check that I am able to communicate to the last person. If you are able to hear me, please raise your word. Raise your hand. Thank you. A very good morning. A very good morning. आवाज नहीं आई. From sportsmen, I don't accept this type of voice. आवाज अभी भी नहीं आई. Synchronized नहीं है. I will again say good morning. Just that is the joy which you should be showing when you are coming for a sports meet. That should be the spirit of a sports person. Thank you. Namaskar and a very good morning to everyone present here. First of all, I would like to thank Principal of KV1 and KV2 for inviting me for such a lovely morning. And definitely, if I see in front of me, I can see all the regions are participating in this particular championship, which is again a very important activity for entire country. I have just listened to your Principal KV1. He told that medal is not important, but I feel medal is important. Whosoever has come here, he is aspiring for that medal. And today only I read in the morning newspaper that Khelo India, that is initiative which has been taken by Government of India, has invested 27,000 crores. They have given 27,000 crores for sports. If you just go back approximately 10 years behind the curve, you will find the budget for sports was only 300 crores. Now it has gone manifold, and now today it has been announced that 26,000 some money, which is approximately 27,000 crores, will be spent. And you will not believe Karnataka state itself has got 846 crores. This is the money which Government of India is spending. But why they are spending? That most important. Our Honorable Prime Minister has a vision. He has got a vision that we should conduct Olympics in 2036. I am sure you must be aware. Are you aware? And if you are aware, this is the forum where you have to compete and get the medal. I was just going through my internet because I am also new to Taekwondo, but I was going through internet. We have got 32 medals in Taekwondo in Olympics in 4 various categories. 8 are for male. In fact, I will say 16 are for male and 16 are for female in various categories. In certain categories, you are going to compete in next 10 days. My request is that please take it very seriously. And if you win, I am sure you will go to the next level. And next level is nationals. And when you win there, you will go to the next level, that is international. I was other day discussing with one of our DG SAI, Sports Authority of India, and he told the vision of Honorable Prime Minister that we require 10 next Olympic Games, we require 10 gold medals so that we can compete for 2036 and we can host Olympics in India. And I'm sure you must be knowing that Commonwealth Games are planned as a prelude to Olympics, that is in 2030, I believe. So please gear up yourself at this forum and try to achieve the standards what you are supposed to do. It is urged from each and every person who is sitting behind those red boards and representing their regions. It is very important to note, get embedded in your mind that मुझे एक मेडल लाना है और कंट्री के लिए लाना है. And I am sure everything will align towards that. So request is play your game, but for the medal. Are you going to do it or not? आवाज अभी भी उस जोश से नहीं आई. आवाज अभी भी उस जोश से नहीं आई. Good. Now coming to the other part of the function, definitely whatever has been shown by our KV1 at this place, it is marvelous, and all the kudos goes to teachers who have taught them and the people who have done this particular job. And what your principal was telling me, that lot of dedication has gone into it. And last, you have got only some few days to perform, but the performance was just like a professional. It is not less than a professional. A big applause to all the participants and the teachers. And I am sure with that vigor, our participants who have come here, they will play the game at this place. Definitely you have to be impartial. I am sure the judges will be impartial because this is sensor-based game now. It has got a very definite way to do it. But I am sure you will show your sportsman ability towards winning each and every medal. I again wish you all the very best for this particular event, and I am sure all the participants will work towards getting a medal in Olympics. Now I declare the 55th KVS National Sports Meet Taekwondo Boys and Girls open.